Start.
This is the story of Alice in Wonderland. Bum, bum, bum. Alice was walking in the great forest. Then she found a nice pick of grass. Yeah, yeah. She felt nice there. But then a rabbit rushed by to fear. Alice thought, what on earth is this? Then he dropped the cake. Then he keep running by. Mr. Rabbit, you dropped your cake. But the rabbit even didn't listen, running over the great shiny grass and disappeared into a rabbit hole. Alice was not surprised to see the rabbit drop his cake. She decided to pick up the cake and give it back to the rabbit. Mr. Rabbit, here's your cake. Oh, where's the rabbit? Is he in the hole? No, where's Mr. Rabbit? Mr. Rabbit, where are you? Mr. Rabbit, where are you? Then she found a particular hole. What can this be? Well, I'll go inside. Then she disappeared inside. The cake was drift. Now what will I do? I can fix it. Yeah. Now I got it. But where's Rabbit? There? Here? Oh no! Mr. Rabbit! I don't see you! Mr. Rabbit! Where are you? Oh no! I forgot my way. And now I'm eating the cake. Mr. Rabbit! Where are you? Mr. Rabbit! Where are you? Alice was tired. She sat down. Then she found the door. Now I can go there. But how? But it's too small. What will I do now? Oh, I have an idea. I'll become smaller, but how? Alice, don't take the cake. Particular this is, I have found a donut and a ketchup. I'll try the ketchup to fit in the door. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Cute. But then she became as small as a mouse. Oh no! I left the key on the door. Now what will I do? Hey, I'll eat the donut to become bigger. And then she grew. Then she was so high, she hit the ceiling off the wall. Bang! As she hit the door, she fell down. Then she began to shrink. But now, what do I do with the key? I have to take another bite of something. What how? Hey, I'll have a banana. Then she began to grow. Then she hit the ceiling, but then it go down. Here is the key. When I hold the key, I am so small. What should I do now? Uh-oh. Now, I forgot the cake. Okay, now. Daddy, this is the cake. The key. Now I'll get it. Yeah. Now that's better. Okay, now, like this. Check. Oh, I hit my head again. Oh, I've shrunk. Now what will I do? Bye. Okay, stop. When she came out of the tunnel, she found a rabbit. Then the rabbit said, Marianne, the cake, I forgot it. Now where's the corn? Oh, I've got the cake here. Cut it inside. Then she fit in through the door. Then just the cake came out and the rabbit was happy to have the cake again, but Alice was mistaken that she ate the corn and began to grow and grow. Daddy, could you make it bigger? Then she fell back. Okay, do it. Since somebody did. Back, 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 back. Oh, now I will eat this. That one's so small. What should I do now? Then I have to eat this. I'm going good. I'm going good. I'm better. I'm Then she hit the wall. Oh, now I'm going to shrink. Oh, now I have to do this. I'm getting small. Now I'm going to. Oh, where's the cake? I have to eat the cake. Oh no, I need. But I want to be big again. Oh, stop. Woof! Now a big moose will help to get away from this rabbit. But then a rabbit voice came over. Alice, you have mistaken that you ate the corn. Stop eating corn, or else you become big and everybody will shoot you with guns. Why? Then I'll look for him again. Mr. Rabbit, where are you? Oh no, I forgot my way, and now I'm eating the moose. Mr. Rabbit, where are you? Mr. Rabbit, where are you? Stop. Alice shouted. Ooh, that was a long way. But when she woke up, she found out that the rabbit was her own doll and the cake was her lunch. Oh no, I have to eat my cake. But how can I go home? Oh, I'll go there. And who knows what happens to Alice? Alice comes out of the closet. Tick, 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 tick. She sleeps on the grass again. Alice's next dream was about an elephant riding on the boat. And he seemed happy there, but beyond him, a dangerous animal crossed by him and tried to eat him. They fight until they went back to the boat and went back again. Off they went on the boat, but the boat went sideways. The dinosaur came out. The elephant said, I'm in trouble. I'll go. He shouted. Then Alice wakes up, Daddy. Alice wakes up. Ooh, that was a short dream. The end.
And Alice went for a walk. She came to the house of the Mad Hatter and the March Hare. Oh my gosh.
It's his birthday. Every day is our birthday. Today is my birthday. Then the next
Oh, I am looking for a way back home.
Oh, I can show you the way back home. Inside the grandma's closet.
Oh, I'll go there right now. Woo!
Oh.
No.
That was so drowsy here. Then a splash of paint hit her eye. Ow! What is that? A painter was painting the flowers red. She came over and said, "Hello." There was no answer, but heard a strange little voice. "Hello," she said, but then he drew her face all red that she looked like a red dragon. No, what do I do? She was so surprised that she ran inside the grandma's closet again. Then the painter went on painting. Without Alice, he wouldn't be painting. He thought about it. Then he thought it was wrong. Without Alice, he could not paint. Then Alice came out with a fear inside the grandma's closet. She was so surprised that her tangles were inside. There's a trumpeted sound. Then the queen came over and saw Alice's red face. She wanted red roses, but now she had a red girl. She was so angry, she said, "Cut off that girl's head!" Then the painter rushed off to cut her head, but she ran and ran and ran and ran into circles, and they fight 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 that Alice ran away and hid inside a trash place. Now the painter couldn't find her. The queen was particularly angry. She said, "You lost her! Go fight her inside!" "Okay," said the painter. "I found her!" Both two were running around in circles. Then the painter rarely rushed inside circles, caught her, but she and the rabbit had a great big fight. Then she ran away, then hid inside, then went inside the rabbit hole. Now where is she? But while she was hiding, he found her, and she still was fighting and fighting and fighting and fighting. Then a pair of more came over. Then she ran and 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 ran. Then she heard another sound. "Alice, come over here!" Then she yelled, "Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Rabbit! I found the rabbit!" Then she hugged the rabbit, kissed